If you are getting errors in Pro Tools 2018 on Windows here, whether it's plugin errors, maybe a plugin is not showing up, maybe you're having playback errors, whatever the error may be, if you cannot immediately fix it, one of the first troubleshooting steps you should try is trashing your preferences. So before we trash our preferences, realize whenever we trash our preferences, we're going to lose anything that is not a default preference. So we're going to lose some things like color, not a big deal. We'll lose some things like how we have our plugin list here, not a big deal. And of course, you'll lose some other things as well. You can always come up to setup and preferences and poke around in here and just sort of remember what you've changed, back up anything that you need to back up. So let's go ahead and trash our preferences. First, obviously, close down Pro Tools. In order to trash your preferences, head to this PC. If you don't have the shortcut here, you can always head to your start menu and just type in this PC. Then you want to go to your C drive, your users folder, your username folder. So that's my name, whatever your name is, just click on that folder. Then we want to go to AppData. AppData is a hidden folder. So we'll come up here to view and hidden items. And here's AppData. Double click on that. Then we want to go to roaming and Avid. And in here, we want to delete the Pro Tools folder. You can pop into it and see everything that is contained in here. Information about our Complete Audio 6 interface, the 11 rack interface, installed AAX plugins, and of course, preferences. We'll go back here. We'll go ahead and hit this home icon here, and we'll just choose delete, or of course, hit the delete button. Delete that. There we go. We can close this down now. Go ahead and open our recycle bin and empty everything. Okay. After we've done that, we need to restart our computer. So let's go ahead and restart. Now that we have restarted our computer, we can relaunch Pro Tools. But first, just in case you want to, you can always come back in here, go to view and turn off that show hidden items. Okay. Let's go ahead and launch Pro Tools now. And this launch will take a little bit longer than usual because it has to rebuild that preferences folder. And here we are at the dashboard, and some of my preferences have changed. For example, the location of where I'm saving my sessions has changed. So I, of course, would need to change that back to my recording drive. Very good. And I could always create a new session or project, but let's go back to the one we had at the beginning of the video. If I come to recent, we have nothing in there. That's because we got rid of all of our preferences there. So everything is cleared out. So we'll just go to open from disk, and I'll just head to it just so you can see what has changed whenever we open this up. Date modified, Pro Tools prefs. There it is. Open this up. Some inputs are missing. That's normal. You got rid of our custom IO settings. And here we are. You can see that now everything is gray. We have retained the colors on the tabs there, but then we'll come in here and just turn this stuff back on and go ahead and finish up setting up our preferences again. If I come to my inserts, you can see that it's not showing me the category and manufacturer like I always have. So setup, go to preferences, and you can just change everything back to how you had it. Come back up here. Now I have my category and manufacturer. Come back to my IO because I backed up my IO setting before doing that. Apply to all tabs, import settings. I save that file right here. Complete Audio 6, open, yes, okay. And now all of our inputs and outputs are back and named correctly. So that is how you trash your preferences here in Pro Tools 2018 on Windows. And everything plays back just fine.